So this is my wife, Sarah, and during the pandemic, we were fortunate to get pregnant. That's what makes babies. And the baby's gonna be here, and we've gotta finish the first floor. You may notice it looks a little different behind me, and that is because it's demo day! And we just cleaned up all the shit that was kind of important. Let's tear some stuff out. And so it begins. Come on, bitch!
You're out. Yeah!
You wanna get the recipe sauce in?
Yeah.
Here you go, take that with you. Ooh, baby.
It did more than I thought.
Did you overhandle?
Well, I almost killed John because I figured I'd try to help and I cut out this piece up here.
Yeah, we're 6 minutes in.
And we're 6 minutes in and John almost died. It's really tough doing these small renovations like this. There's only so much you can do because you're on top of each other.
Yeah.
We're gonna keep destroying stuff gently, and I think this closet was put in after the house was built, so it shouldn't be too bad to reverse that.
Look at that beautiful floor. Just getting the real demo day in here. I don't need some fancy t-shirt or to rip off Chip Gaines. We're getting 100-year-old dirty. Something's trimmed in behind this wood.
It looks like it goes into that plaster.
You want gloves? I brought some.
I don't speak Spanish. It's probably gonna be that old water line. I cut it out. Yeah, that's what it is. We can cut it out.
Crisis averted.
What is it wrapped in? What is that? Lick it, Jordan.
I'm not gonna like that. It's got nice stitching though. You about to kick that shit?
Yes.
Sweet.
Be sure before you try to punt through walls, you get yourself a good pair of boots. Timberland Pros, baby. All day long. Let's go. Hey, it's drywall! Woo! Oh, thank goodness.
That's the best thing I've heard all day.
You think you can handle it?
Bye, wall.
Oh, that was
The
huge.
closet's only 50 years old, not. You managed to crack up there though by kicking it.
Nightmare bag. Pass block.
Pass block.
That hurt like hell. That is. Oh. I forgot I used to tape my wrists. Do bitch work.
The wallpaper's kind of cool.
Throw that wallpaper in the trash and go sit in the corner.
I ate all of that dust. And I'm so good at my job.
I want that caption, hard work or hardly working. Jordan's just standing behind me with this.
He's a 3, 2, 1.
All right, let's scoot that out. We'll clean up down here. Then we can cleanly be able to not ruin the floor, hopefully. And then we'll get that bottom plate out. We'll pry this off. We gotta take that out. We just have to retrim the door. We'll get her done. Jordan's never demoed anything before. We're taking his virginity right now. Yeah! Feels good, don't it, boy? Get it out of there, son! Yeah! Yeah! How's it go, baby? Timberland Pro! Nice! Nice! Sparka!
I can see outside from inside, but not in a good way. It's not a window.
It's up here, too.
We're gonna have to insulate that a little better.
Good luck.
Chop,
I'll
chop.
stay out of your way. I'm brainstorming some bullshit.
You're confident that these don't do a thing.
100%. I know I disconnected that big guy.
Alright.
So while these two are working on the rest of this plaster, I'm gonna start poking into the steps because I'm literally just standing here twiddling my butt. So let's see what's underneath these. We are all about that 20-degree winter weather, indoor, outdoor concept. Are you all right there?
I don't want to scratch.
Boom higher. Whew. Hail. What it is a good for. We might have to tie this back in, but they notched the stairs around those 10 by 10 boxes. We'll cross that road once we get it all out.
This was my fear, though, that it was going to be some sort of.
I knew it was going to be Jankosaurus Rex. Once we get the carpet off, we'll get a better look at it. Clear it up. This is the last of the diabetes carpet.
Just trying to get this guy contained.
Put in 2006. We're making headway. It's looking below average right now. The goal is to bring it above average. We're gonna get this post out and then keep game planning as we kind of come back. So, say goodbye.
That's upside down. Don't mind me. Good enough. So, I don't know where John went. He gone. We're still here. The steps are, we're either gonna paint them, stain them, retread them, something. This post pretty much can't take it out, so we're gonna have to use this for the new handrail. Sand those, sand the treads. We're probably gonna paint those. There's a lot of little corners and stuff that I really don't know how I'm gonna get to yet. I'll see you guys in like a week.
Nip. Who's that? Hit me.
Who that? Who that? Ooh.
Hank gets rest. He gets resty head.
Hello.
Come on, you guys want stickers? All right, what do you think?
I think it looks good. It smells really weird.
That's
Like a
gonna be the
nasty-
combination of what we like to call the diabetes,
Diabetes. You got diabetes.
which is this diarrhea wood, plus sanding, but a lot of room.
Yeah, it looks good. Are you doing the treads a different color or the same color?
We're kind of stuck. Those beams we're not gonna be able to take out. We're gonna we're gonna build 2 more to match them, and we're gonna keep wooden posts. We wanted to do
Okay.
metal.
Well, I think wooden will look nice.
Sam and I, for a minute, were very much debating on making it straight.
Oh, really?
But then we lose anything over here.
I like it turned. We need that. We need that organization over there.
If we sealed that wall in for the kitchen, we could put it there.
This is turning into that game with the cars.
All right, as long as you don't hate it.
No, it looks nice. I mean,
Just
all
live in
things
this for
considered,
4 months and we'll be good.
4 months.
Bring baby in, baby
I
home.
thought no, this like isn't up to code.
We'll bring the baby home and she'll just enjoy the construction project.
No, we need to get this
Perfect, huh?
buttoned up.
Okay, so we're gonna paint all of the treads white. We didn't really like the way that wood looked, but it doesn't look that bad now that it's sanded, but we still kind of don't like it. So we might do a white cap, this is called a cap, and then run wood, the matching wood on the floor on the landings, and then the runner will just die into
These
it.
are landings, or this is.
This
the
is a landing.
Yeah, I know, but don't you want it to be uniform? No, doesn't matter.
All white with a runner. Okay.
I don't know. I just feel like if it was just the landings, there might be.
And the gavel has been struck.
No, I'm just.
We will
saying.
see ends tomorrow.
I'm just saying it's